Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science in Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Today I am going to teach class 6 subject computer, chapter 6 animating a presentations. So this chapter has already completed and today I am going to solve the exercise question. So let's see the exercise questions. See, here is the exercise questions. Question number A, tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first question is here, PowerPoint 2010 blank main views. So how many views we have in PowerPoint? So options is given 2, 4 and 6. So the correct answer is here 4. So you have to tick in 4. So next questions. Yes, the second questions. Animation speed of an object can be adjusted using blank. So option is here given, the duration options, delay options and the start option. So the correct answer is here duration options. So you have to tick in the duration options. Good. Okay, now question number third. Transition is an effect used to. So option is here given, setup, animate slides and the run the show. So the correct answer is here setup show. So you have tick out in setup show. Fourth numbers. See here blank view displays the title bar and status bar. So which view in which you can able to see the title bar as well as the status bar. So option is here provided, slide show, slide sorters and the reading. So the correct answer is here reading. So you have to tick out in the reading ones. Okay, now B, match the following. So you have given two columns, column A and column B. So you have to match A to B. So see here, the first one is animation, slide sorter view, slide transitions, slide show, normal view and rehearse timing. And you have to match with the column B, thumbnail view, animating slides, design a presentation, practice slideshow, a special effect on the objects, running a presentation. So here already have matched. So you have to see here animations. The correct answer is B, animation. By doing animations we can able to animate the slides. We are adding the special effect and make it more attractive and enhance the slides. So this is the correct ones. Okay, now see the second one, slide sorter view. So slide sorter view, A is thumbnail view. So in slide sorter view, so many slides are present in one page and in the thumbnail view. So very short slides is present, small slides is present in a page. All slides are present just like the icons in the thumbnail view. So that is the correct one. Okay, now third one, slide transitions. So correct answer is E. See here, slide transitions is the special effect on the objects. Okay, and now F, fourth number, slide show. So slide show, correct answer is F, running a presentations. So whenever you are doing slideshow, then your slide is going to run and you can able to see on the full screens. Okay, now see the next ones, that is the normal view. So the correct answer is C is here. So that is the design a presentations, that is the correct ones. Okay, now see the next one, that is the rehearse timing of that is the D, that is the correct answer. And see here D is the practice slideshow. So that is the correct one. So this is the match of the following. See here. Okay, now see, C, write T for true and F for false. If you have the true statements, then you have to write the T, otherwise you have to write the F for false. So see, the first statement is here: running a slideshow means viewing all slides one by one in the full screen. So this one is true ones, so you have to write here T. Okay, now see, the second one here is here: animations are a special visual effect added to the object in a slide. So this is also the correct statement, so you write here T, so that is the true. Okay, now see, the third ones: text on slides cannot be animated. Text on slides cannot be animated, so this is the wrong statement. So you write here F, that is the false. Okay, now see, the fourth ones: you can apply multiple animation effects on a single object. So this one is the true statement. Okay, now the fifth ones: you can modify the slide background using the rehearse timing options. So this one is false statement, you write here F. Okay, now the next ones: quick buttons are used to navigate through the slides, play sounds or video clip. So this is the false statement, because quick actions toolbars, it is present at the upper left corner, and here having the save, undo, redo buttons. So we can't able to do navigations of the slides, so this is the false statement. Okay, now three questions is here provided, and the answer in short: what are the animations and why do you need animation effect in the presentation? Third question is: name four categories of animation effect that can be applied on the object in a slide. So let's see the three questions, answer in short. Okay, now see, answer in short. First question: what are the animation are the special effect that are added to the text, image or any other object in the presentation. So this is the good definition of a animations. So you have to write like this. Second question: why do you need to animate object in a presentation? So we need to animate object in a presentation to enhance the slides in the numerous way and make it more attractive. So this is the need and requirement to animate a slide in a presentation. Okay, now see the third question: name the four categories of animation effect that can applied on the objects in a slide. So the four category of animations are like that: enhance effect, exit effect, emphasis effect and motion path effects. So these are the four categories of animation effect that can be applied on the slides. So these are the short answer questions. One question is left, that is answer in detail, so that I will cover in the next class. So how this video was, you have to write the comment. Okay, thank you.